This Christmas season, it feels like a wreath isn't fully dressed without its ribbon bundle. It gives it a more full, festive look. So we asked friend of the show, Tonia Jardine, to show us how to make one.
I feel like ribbon bundles are super popular right now. There's so many beautiful ribbons out there, and I'm just going to show you how to make one yourself. So you can find what ribbon you might have around the house, or run to your local store and grab some. So you start with a wreath holder. It makes it handy, but you don't have to have one of these. And then you start with the widest ribbon at the bottom, and then layer it so that they go into the smallest size on top. Then you might even want to add like a little bling to your ribbon bundle, because I feel like that's really fun. Then you're going to take a skinny ribbon and you're just going to tie it off. And you immediately have a cute little ribbon bundle to tie on your wreath. And these extras are what you use to tie it on. And then if you want to doll it up a little bit more, you just add a little accessory, an ornament, something fun like that. They're super cute and so easy.
You know what, I'm going to say something not that deep or thoughtful, but isn't it funny that that ribbon cluster wasn't even a thing like 1 to 2 years ago, and now it's become a staple in our home decor. And I'm glad that it did, because the color and the texture that it brings in a very simple and affordable way, I think, is super appealing, at least to me, as I'm trying to spruce up my home, even post holidays, right? When things start to take a little bit of a dip. From a decoration standpoint around the house, that's an easy way to add some color and some life.